Everybody on for YouTube. Hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Right, so today I'm going to cook some of these Polish sausages. Not tried them before. There's some ingredients there somewhere. So I'm just going to cook them in a frying pan and see how we get on with that. So it tastes like. I've also got some thick cut back bacon rashers, which I'm going to have as well, and just going to have some of them in a roll. I might have another roll as well to use, and yeah, that'll be that. Right, so yeah, first impressions, they smell quite strong. I believe they're already cooked, just got to try and heat them through. So that is what I'm doing. And to that, I'm just going to chuck some bacon in as well. Cut the rashers of bacon. It's doing its thing. Yeah, actually smells really nice. So be interested to see what these sausages are like. Actually, they look like hot dogs, don't they? Just a lot chunkier. So I'll get a bit of colour into them. Just going to place the roll in the pan just to melt the butter, the Kerrygold butter on the inside. Just try and brown them off a little bit, so make them a bit more tastier. Reading the reviews about these sausages online, there's a lot of people that say they're not very great, not very good, and there's a lot of people that say they're one of the best. So it'd be interesting to find out, wouldn't it? Purely my taste only, but don't try these things you don't know, do you? So let me know in the comments. Have you had them before? Have you tried them? Would you say it's a yay or a nay? Or if you know of any other Polish sausages that are amazing, that I can try. So yeah. To give it a go, eh? And find out. Right, I think we're about done. Right, so let's see if I can pick it up. Let's see if I can cut it in half actually. So hopefully I'll pick it up. There's a cross cut of it. Plenty of meat in there. And interesting to find out what it tastes like. Bit of bacon, bit of sausage. Or maybe I might just go for a bit of sausage first. It's quite salty. Tastes like normal hot dogs, really. It's a bit of a... I quite like it, actually. Have some with a bit of bacon. If you ain't tried it, give it a go. It's something different, isn't it? Beats the norm. It was full of flavour. Not too greasy, just nice. I'm glad I chopped them in half and cooked them though. They're just a bit more texture to them. Hopefully if you've made it this far, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much now. Might have to try them with a bit of egg or something. Maybe some jalapenos, and I think they'd probably be quite nice in like a rigatoni, sliced up and just lightly fried. Chuck some chilies in, and might have to bang them on a barbecue tomorrow. Have a barbecue tomorrow and see how we get on. First time trying Polish sausages, and yeah.
That tastes alright.
I'm thinking maybe some peppers and some skewers.
So as I said, the reviews online on Tesco were not great, but there were some positives and there's some negatives. But yeah, I'd have them again.
So, hope everyone has a fantastic day at work tomorrow, and I'll catch you tomorrow, I guess, on the next one.
Definitely a bit more flavour than normal hot dogs. So maybe with some mustard sauce and some onions, yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Might get some hot dog rolls and get some onions and get some mustard and
Or maybe not.
other flavours in there and give it a go. Everyone, see you later. Bye bye.